Did you know there was once a man who literally ran away from God and ended up in the belly of a whale? Dear Jonah, I get it. When God told you to preach to your enemies, the same people who tortured your friends and destroyed your homeland, you ran. Who wouldn't? You bought a ticket on the first ship heading the opposite direction, but running from your calling doesn't just hurt you. That storm nearly killed innocent people. When they threw you overboard and that great fish swallowed you whole, you spent 3 days in total darkness, stomach acid burning your skin. Finally, in that impossible place, you surrendered. You obeyed. You preached. The entire city changed their hearts, and you were angry about it. Here's what I learned from your story. Sometimes we're not running from our assignment. We're running from who we need to become to complete it. God wasn't just changing Nineveh. He was changing you. Your resistance revealed your heart needed work too. Maybe that's the real assignment. Sincerely, someone still learning to say yes,